Take everything out of here. Ooh, this looks good. This looks really good. Okay. Things I'm keeping will go back in here. Alright. Jeffree Star. Well, it said it was high end. And these are, I gotta figure out what these are. But anyway, the Revolution, which I would not call high end, but okay, what is this? These are precision grip. Oh, okay. These are peach fuzz and sideburn shavers. I actually have a couple of these, different shape. I think I'm gonna donate these. Ooh. Ooh. I will show you this, but I'll have to cover the yeah. I'll show you that last. Okay, the Creme Shop Overnight Lip Therapy. This is a big boy for a lip mask. I can't really smell much right now with my cold, but I don't think it smells like much. The sweet berries. Apply generously onto clean, dry lips. Get some rest. Gentle enough to be used every night. I will definitely try that. Okay. Next up, we have a pencil. Eyeliner. That gets donated because I don't use eyeliner. Okay, what is this? 40% off. It is L'Oreal Paris. Oops. And it's completely and utterly trashed. That's unfortunate because it's really pretty. And I think that was my fault. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can. I might be able to. Yeah, that was my fault anyway, but there we go. There we go. Now that I have it all over my pants. But yeah, that's a very pretty color. Ooh. I like that color. I'm gonna leave that on top. This is eyeshadow, I'm pretty sure. Infallible eyeshadow. Yeah, 997. Ethereal Sunshine. Yep, that was my fault. I opened it from the bottom. I do like that it has this thing that you can push it down. But yeah, that's the color. It's right there. It's pretty. Next up, we have a Revolution. What in the world is this? I'm not sure why there's two pieces to this. What is this? What is this part? Oh, primer. It's an eyeshadow and an eyeshadow primer. Let's see if I can open the eyeshadow from the right side this time. Yeah, it's an eyeshadow and an eyeshadow primer. And I need to change your battery. So, that goes in there. That over there and change your battery. Excuse me. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay. Next thing is this Revolution blush, which looks awfully off. Ow! Awfully orange. I'm gonna look at it, but it looks so orange. Yeah, way too orange for me. Donate. Way too orange for me. Donate. Okay. these three, this should be called a Revolution lot. Oh, that's a highlighter. A baking oil. I have never used that, and I don't plan on it. And this is Starlight highlighter. So these are both liquid highlighters. So let's get these open. Okay, this one is the Starlit. Which I love. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That would be great for holidays. How come they didn't put these in their Advent? Look at that. And look at that. That's crazy. They should have put that in their Advent. Okay, make sure these are both tight. Now, yeah, can't say the word, so. Well, it was either this or one with an F word, I do believe, were the two palettes that she had. And, oh, this is not, these are not my colors. These are not my colors. This is from BH. I think I would have preferred the F word palette. Just saying. Half these colors, well, let's see. I would definitely use the top row. What's this one like? I might use that one as a topper. Or even that. Oh, definitely that one. Yeah, I'm probably not going to use the greens, but I'll use the other one. So, that's not a bad thing. So, there's that. I think that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me just remind you what we're donating. We are donating all of these things. So, thank you so much for joining me. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I am so excited to have reached 500 subscribers on KIDMISSING. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you so much.